Good morning everyone. Welcome to Eklavya online classes. Today we start our new chapter, that is chapter number, that is poem chapter. Poem we start, that is sympathy poem. Clear? Part 1 of sympathy. Poem sympathy. Poem means name is sympathy, and this poem is written by Paul Laurence Dunbar. This poem is written by Paul Laurence Dunbar. Clear? Now what the writer want to tell in this poem? He tells us about the caged birds. He shows the sympathy towards the caged birds, those birds which have captured by the persons, which is captured by the human beings. Clear? So speaker starts us off saying that he knows exactly what a caged bird feels. He know exactly that caged bird क्या feel करते हैं. It doesn't feel good, especially when outside the bird's cage sun is bright and the river is flowing and the wind is stirring through the grass. The bird can't go out and frolic in the beautiful landscape. वो ब्यूटीफुल लैंडस्केप में नहीं जा सकते. दे डोंट सी द रिवर फ्लोइंग, दे डोंट सी द सन इज ब्राइट, ओनली दे हैव कैप्चर्ड बाय द ह्यूमन बीइंग, दे हैव केज्ड. सो नाउ व्हाट पोएट वांट्स टू टेल दैट द स्पीकर टेल अस ही नोज व्हाई द केज्ड बर्ड सिंग्स. वो क्यों गाती हैं? वी कैन गेस बाय दिस पॉइंट दैट इन द पोएम this bird is singing not because it's a happy bird. वो इसलिए नहीं गाती क्योंकि वो एक हैप्पी बर्ड है. After all, it wings it is burnished and its bosom is sore. The caged bird's song, the speaker tell us, is a prayer. वो क्या कर रही हैं? With that song, they prayer only. The speaker tells he is a prayer and a plea. Plea means prayer, request कर रही हैं that he birds sends to heaven, कि उन्हें भी heaven में भेजा जाए. Though the speaker doesn't tell us what this prayer is for exactly. अभी speaker ने ये नहीं बताया that what the prayer is exactly. We can assume that prayer or plea is for freedom. Obviously, they want to give message to the person through the prayer or plea that they also want freedom. They also want freedom like other birds. Clear? Now we start our chapter. So let's start. Our poem is written by the Paul Laurence Dunbar. Clear? Now I know what the caged bird feels, alas, when the sun is bright on the upland slopes. Again, I know what the caged bird feels, alas, when the sun is bright on the upland slopes. The speaker of this poem, in these two lines, what he wants to tell, that he wants to tell that what the caged bird feels, I know. Considering that this is a caged bird, as in it can't fly off and hope from one branch to another, it's a safe belt that isn't happy breedy. It is okay. The second line tells us that beautiful landscape, the sun is shining bright, or slopes and hills, the thing is our little breedy presumably doesn't have access the beautiful landscape. Means they don't feel the bright and beautiful landscape because he is in cage. So they can't fly or they can't feel the beautiful landscapes. When the wind stays soft through the springing grass and the river flows like a stream of glass. Clear? So in these lines, what poet want to tell? We get more beautiful landscape, imaginary, a breeze stirring the grass and the river flowing like glass. But caged birds don't feel this because they are caged. The speaker emphasized the wonderful things that the birds missing. Okay, poet want to tell that he emphasizing the wonderful things, what the poet means, what the caged bird missing. If it is in cage, our little birdie can't enjoy flying on a beautiful bridge or drinking from that flowing river. Clear? We can also see that, especially the repetition of the letter is. Just try saying these lines out loud. When the wind stays soft, when the wind stays soft through the springing grass and the river flows like a stream of grass, here those soft sounds sliding forth, but the caged birds can't feel this freedom. Next, when the first bird sings and the first bird opens and the faint perfume from its chalice steals, I know what the caged bird feels. I know what the caged birds feel. Now, what poet want to tell that poor little caged bird is missing out on here for its hang out with its first bird singing, and it can't fly off to smell the beautiful perfume coming from an opening flower bud. He can't smell because he is caged. The speaker says that faint perfume of the flower steals he can't feel from its chalice. A chalice is a cup used for drinking wine. What is chalice? It's a cup used for drinking wine. Clear? It sounds like a fancy that our bird is denied. Clear? Next. I know why the caged bird beats his wing till its blood is red on the cruel bars, for he must fly back to his perch and cling to his perch and cling when he fain would be on the bow a swing. Clear? Now, what the poet want to tell in next these three lines? Yes. Now, what poet want to tell? I know why the caged bird beats his wing. Caged bird खुद के जो wings हैं उनको क्यों मार रही हैं, क्यों beat कर रही हैं, इतना मार रहे हैं कि that till its blood is red, उनका जो blood है वो red हो चुका है. Cruel bars, merciless, for he must fly back on his perch, क्योंकि वो खुद के perch में फिर से जाना चाहती हैं. Okay? Now, what is the meaning of perch? Where bird sits and cling when he fain would be on the bow or swing. And the pain still throbs in the old scars and they pulse again with a keener sting. I know why he beats his wing. Okay, उनकी पल्स चल रही है, बहुत जोर जोर से चल रही है. पल्स मीन्स टू बीट अगेन एंड अगेन फॉर फ्रीडम. वो बाहर निकलना चाहती है, बट उनको जो ह्यूमन बीइंग है उन्होंने कैद कर रखा है. बिकॉज आई नो he beats his wing. Clear? I know why the caged bird sings how me. When he wings is bruised and his bosom sore, when he beats his bars and he would be free. They want to free. Okay? They want the bosom sore. वो खुद की means bosom sore एक means अंदर से बोल रही है कि please give them freedom, leave them. It is not a carol of joy or glee. ये कोई गाना नहीं है, ये कोई गाना नहीं गा रही हैं. They only did prayer. वो प्रेयर कर रही हैं. They only do prayer and plea for freedom. Okay? They don't sing a song, but a prayer that he sends from his heart's deep core, but a plea that upward to heaven he flings. I know why the caged bird sings. I know why the caged bird sings. Because they want freedom. For freedom, they request for the human being. For the bird is caged, we can assume that his feelings stem from the fact that like the bird isn't free. उसको वो free नहीं है. Okay? Now, what the caged bird feels again and again, this line means the speaker again emphasizes his own identification and bird sadness को show कर रहा है speaker. He knows what the bird feels, which he's in his own way he want to tell that he really sad too for the birds, that how human being captured them, and this is very merciless, this is very bad. Clear? So this is very means cruel way, this is very cruel way. Okay? So this is your poem meaning. Clear? So now write down hard words of this poem. Next you write down hard words. First is stairs. Stairs. Second is stream. Third is bird. Bird opes. Bird opes. Next. Fourth, everyone know perfume. Bow. Kinner. Bows. Sword. Next is glee. Next is what? Glee. These are 8 hard words. After that, everyone write down word meaning. Word meaning of this chapter. In next class, we discuss question answers. First is upland. An area of high or hilly land. An area of high and hilly land. Next is faint. It means mild. Next is chalice. A large cup or goblet. Typically used for drinking wine. Used for drinking wine. Used for drinking wine. Cruel is merciless. Next is perch. A thing on which a bird alights. A bird alights. Sixth is cling. Hold on tightly to. Seventh is throb. Throb. Beat or sound with a strong regular rhythm. With a strong regular rhythm. Next is 8th, scars. Marks. Scars are marks. Marks. First is upland, an area of high or hilly land. Second is faint, mild. Third, next. Now, 9th is pulse, to beat. Pulse is to beat. Next is breast, hurt, sore, painful. 12th is carol, religious folk song, a religious folk song or hymn. And 13 is what? Flings, sends with force. Sends with force. Clear? First is upland, an area of high or hilly land. An area of high or hilly land. Second is mild, faint. Faint is what? Mild. Third is chalice, a large cup or goblet typically used for drinking wine. Okay, chalice we use for, means that cup we use for wine only. Clear? Next is our cruel, that is merciless. Perch, a thing on which a bird alights. Cling, hold on tightly to. Throb, beat or sound with a strong regular rhythm. Scars is marks. Scars is what? Marks. Okay, जो निशान हो जाते हैं बीट करते करते, मारते मारते विंग्स को. Next is what? Pulse is to beat. Pulse is what? To beat. Brushed is hurt. Sore is painful. Carol is a religious folk song or hymn. Flings is sends with force. Flings is what? Sends with force. Okay? Flings is what? Sends with force. And hard words, listen again. First is stairs. Second is stream. Third is bird orbs. Fourth is perfume. Fifth is bow. Stairs, stream, bird orbs, perfume, bow, kino, bows masoor, glee. These are your hard words. Clear? So, means poet is, who is poet of this poem? Paul Laurence Dunbar. Is that clear? Paul Laurence Dunbar. Okay. Now he only tells about this sympathy. He shows the sympathy. He show कर रहा है sympathy towards the bird. Okay. He wants to tell that. He tell that poet that birds also want freedom like human beings. Clear? So this poem is completed. Hard words and word meaning completed. In next class we discuss their question answers. Clear? So today's class is over. Thank you and have a nice day.